Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the periodontal chart. In this video, we will start on a periodontal chart screen. We will first take a look at the various views and filters you can adjust on the periodontal chart. Below the tooth number, you can click on a specific tooth drop-down arrow to access additional options and actions you can perform, such as adding a note or indicating that the tooth is to be extracted. Click on tooth number drop-down menu. As an example, we will be adding a note to the specific tooth. Click on the Add Note button. The Quick Note workflow event screen will open, where the user is able to upload images, take photos, or complete information. For more information regarding the Quick Note screen, please refer to the Quick Note user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to exit the screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the changes made and return to the periodontal screen. When the practitioner is examining a patient's mouth, the practitioner is able to indicate the findings on the periodontal chart. Any plaque or bleeding can be marked by clicking on a desired quadrant. The plaque chart will display yellow, whereas the bleeding chart will display in red. The furcation lesion chart is divided into 2 to 3 segments, depending on the tooth, to indicate the severity grade from 1 to 9 of the affected area. Click on the applicable segments and complete the necessary information. The pocket depth, buccal or lingual is divided into various fields to indicate the severity grade from 1 to 9 of the affected area. Click on the applicable segments and complete the necessary information. The mobility section has a single field to indicate the severity grade from 1 to 9. Click on the mobility fields and complete the necessary information. The calculus section consists of a checkbox the practitioner can tick to indicate whether the tooth is affected with calculus or not. Click on a calculus checkbox if applicable. The recession, buccal and lingual is divided into various fields to indicate the severity grade from 1 to 9 of the affected area. Click on the applicable segments and complete the necessary information. The buccal as well as the lingual graphs will indicate the information completed in the above sections in a graphical form. Jaw view is utilized to switch between the maxilla view or the mandibular view. The chart filters as well as odontogram filters are functionalities designed to precisely alter the overall appearance of the periodontal chart screen. This chart empowers practitioners to exhibit specific information aligned with their preferences through these filters. Tick or untick any of the desired filters to either hide or unhide the corresponding fields. Periodontal history refers to all periodontal chart records of the patient which has been performed in the past. Click on the View Previous Chart drop-down menu. Click on the applicable periodontal chart to view. The periodontal history screen will open. The record will also display the date and time of when the periodontal chart was done. Click on the Close button to return to the periodontal chart screen. Click on a Close button to return to the diary screen without saving. Click on a Save and Close drop-up menu for more saving options. Click on a Save button to save the changes made without exiting the screen. Click on a Save Lines to New Macro button to create a new macro. For more information regarding macros, please refer to the Macros Billing Combinations user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Save and Close button to save the changes made and return to the diary screen.